To Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share and like. After we put a brand new engine computer, we have brake light, ABS light, check engine light on. By the way, this is a brand new computer. We are not supposed to get any check engine light on it unless if there is some other issue that's in it. The customer brought his own computer, he did his own diagnosis, but let us see what we have. Okay, now I have this tool here. I will go to Diagnose. Okay, every time he popped this one, I want to try to take it out, and I will go to Maxim 608. This is my favorite tools on the diagnostic. They have others, but they don't have all the capability of this one. I gotta go to Diagnose. Okay, I don't need this. Let me go here. I go to by VIN number, auto detect. I want to communicate with the car to see what code I have. I will scan the whole car. I'm supposed to get the VIN number written in the car. You see, this is the VIN number. I will say okay. It's a GMC car, Savannah Express. Okay, this is the car. Say yes. I have this piece here, my system Diagnose. I'm gonna go to auto scan. So I need to scan the whole car. Engine control, you have 6 faults. I can't believe that. Airbag, no faults. Instrument cluster, no faults. 6 fault is too much. That means there is some wiring problem. You see, shim, no fault. Rollover sensor is good. So we don't have more than those codes on this van. Engine control, theft, supplement, instrument cluster. So let me just see the theft and I want to see the report. Okay, theft is 1. Crankshaft position sensor correlation, camshaft position sensor performance, transmission control request elimination. I don't see the transmission there. Transmission request elimination, control communication bus off. Yeah, we have a bus line. Code, theft deterrent, unprogrammed transponder identify receive code. Okay, crankshaft not learn, camshaft position sensor performance. Okay, that's very funny, but I'm gonna do this way. Let me go here, clear this code, and then see what can happen. I don't see anything on the ABS. Even though ABS light is on, there is no airbag. I mean, I don't see a lot of stuff here. I don't see the transmission. Okay, you know what? I gotta erase this one. Everything erased, and then I see what's gonna left. Okay, no fault, no fault, no fault. Okay, I'm gonna turn the key off. I start the car. The car shut off by itself. Wow. I will start it again. See, there is nothing. Start and shut off again. Okay, I don't know what happened here, but I will do it again. Nothing. Nothing. Take it out. Put it back. You see, nothing. Even on the transmission line, you see, I'm supposed to get light here. There is more light for the transmission. I don't see nothing. See, now there is nothing. Security is off. Okay, let me see if I can communicate with the system. Skip. Cancel. Okay, cancel. Okay, what do you want to do now? Skip this. Okay. Auto. I want to diagnose the car again to see if engine control module have 2 codes. ABS, no communication with the ABS. You know, like body control module. I don't see the body also. Body also is gone. It's 2011. I'm supposed to get the body. No body, no ABS, no transmission. Remote door lock. Theft deterrent. Let me see what happened. Report. Engine control. Main request. Control module communication. Bus is off. So we have a bus problem here. Even though I'm not able to see the transmission, but the bus is off. Let me go back. So we have bus problem. Say okay. Okay, control unit, transmission. Where is transmission? Trouble code. Now go back, see if you can communicate with the transmission information. Sorry. No communication with the transmission. You see? No communication with the transmission now. Okay, go back. BCM, body control module. ECU information. Can I get the body control module? No communication with the body. Okay, so we have a communication data line off. Who make the line off? I don't know. ABS module. ECU information. Nothing there. Escape. So we come to conclusion that even the radio, there is no radio, no nothing. So this car here have really electrical problem. When there is no bus line on, the bus line have to come on. Maybe one of those module. You see now, the car is start. Let me see if the bus come back. I say okay. I'm decoding the same VIN. This is the car anyhow. I'm gonna go okay. Something pulling down the system. ABS light is on there. I want to scan it again. Hot function. No. Diagnose. Control unit. I don't want that. I want to scan the whole car again. You see now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 computer only. No ABS. No cluster. No cluster is there. No engine control module. Even the engine control module is not here anymore. It's gone. Wow. So we know for sure that this car have electrical problem. Something pulling down. No BCM. No engine computer. I'm gonna go back here. Control unit. Engine computer. Come up engine computer. Let me see if I can get it. Information. No, you see, no communication with the engine computer. Shut down. Not only that, let me show you again. What else again? Chim. I don't know what that means. Let me see if there is information. This was communicating. You see here? I have something here. But I don't have transmission. This car have a big electric short. ABS. Can I see the ABS? You know, like you catch some, you lose. No ABS. Body control module is not there at all. The BCM. There is a computer that pulling down the system. Very bad. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. And if you have any idea, please give it to us. But I believe that this car have serious bus offline communication line, something wrong with this car. Thank you and see you in another video.